open some more stuff.
Connor, who sent this?
Aunt Taylor.
And
Uncle Rob.
Utopia.
What is this? What is this?
show us, bud.
Oh, look it!
Bunnies.
What is this? Stickers?
No, we can decorate
Chuck E. Cheese.
we can decorate Easter eggs with them.
Look it! Look, Mario Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh, that does look like Chuck E. Cheese.
Bubbles, Mommy!
Oh, bubbles! So cool.
Easter bunnies.
Easter bunnies. Those are flying Easter bunnies. What else is in there?
Mommy.
Yeah, well, you could pick one when we're done. That's a big lollipop, huh?
I think this is for me.
Does it say your name on it? I think it is too.